Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online classes, grade 9 chemistry. In previous session, we have discussed how to separate a mixture of two miscible liquids. Today's class, we are going to discuss about new topic. How can we obtain different gases from air? Air is a homogeneous mixture and can be separated into its components by fractional distillation. The flow diagram shows the steps of the process. The flow diagram shows the steps of the process. Air compress and cool by increasing pressure and decreasing temperature. So then we get liquid air. So liquid air allowed to warm up slowly in fractional distillation column. When we applying more temperature and pressure, air is changes to liquid air. Then we can separate it in fractional distillation columns. So after that it changes to gases get separated at different height. So different gases we are getting from different heights based on the temperature and pressures. So you can observe that boiling point of oxygen is minus 183 degrees Celsius. Argon boiling point is minus 186 Celsius. Nitrogen minus 196 Celsius. So percentage by volume. So how much percentage of volume we are getting in that boiling point. Oxygen we are getting 20.9 percentage, argon 0.9 percentage, nitrogen 78.1 percentage. So in this based on boiling point we are getting more percentage is nitrogen. So these are, if we want oxygen gas from air, we have to separate out all the other gases present in the air. The air is compressed by increasing the pressure and is then cooled by decreasing the temperature to get liquid air. This liquid air is allowed to warm up slowly in a fractional distillation column where gases get separated at different heights depending upon their boiling point. So we are getting finally liquid oxygen. So you can see this structure separating components of a air, separation of components of air. So separation of components of air. So in that method, the air is filtered after it is going to tank 1, that is say air under pressure. When applying more pressure, so air is changes to hot air. So hot air is going to second tank. So in that second tank you can observe they have freezing cold water. So cold water in, so remaining water out upside. So it is the process is cold tank. When hot air is coming to the cold tank, the air is changes to cold compressed air. So cold compressed air is going to thaw tank, that is a separated tank. In that separated tank, carbon dioxide out as a dry ice. So in that separated tank, cold compressed air changes to some carbon dioxide out as a dry ice. So remaining air is going to some under pressure. So you can observe it expansion jet. So that liquid air is going to fractional distillation column tank. So that is a fourth tank. That fourth tank based on the temperature, and that means boiling point nitrogen, argon gases are out. So that means it going outside. So remaining gas is there. So that is a oxygen. Oxygen gas is going to final tank, that is a liquid oxygen. Liquid oxygen. We are getting finally liquid oxygen. This method is known as a separation of components of air.